Hmm? Can I tell you something? You know, say, like, me have like a crush on you when you come up at your house.
Really?
Cho, I see you, and then, first of all, I never know say a big one. You see me? And, like, me the ask, like how it done late, me the ask if you could have sleep over tonight. Come here. Say hi.
Hi, it's recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Guess our age. Wait, how much?
How old I look? How old I look, guys?
You
How old I
look like 12.
12?
Matter of fact.
Another, you're not that tall.
Look at this child, I don't care.
Wait.
Look at this child.
Come back.
No. I'm moving this thing up. Look at this
You're
child.
not that tall.
It don't matter, because you're older than me. It don't matter.
Welcome back to Iheart Manie's channel. My name is Rochielin. And I don't know what I'm supposed to be saying.
Try again. Pull up.
I don't know how you do an intro. You don't have an intro. So he invited me to this video and didn't tell me what kind of video we're filming.
No, for real, yeah, much. Come down now.
I'm 26. I'm not that older than you.
I'm 26.
I'm 27 next week Monday.
Mama.
I'm accepting gifts.
Yeah,
Thanks.
So truth or dare?
Truth.
You have a boyfriend?
Truth. Go to your neighbor's house and tell him or her a joke.
Yo, I should have asked you that. Okay, so my neighbors actually don't know me.
We can't really see you, so just go ahead. Yeah, make sure to them laugh. Sit down, man.
Nice. You know which Jamaican artists don't use tissue? Eh? Bounty.
That's so lame. I'm not that old.
So in a grade 8, you know what? 6 form? The goodness. The old
I'm
man.
not that old. Come on.
When me in a grade 8, she in a 6 form.
First of all,
When she have 4, me just a reach fetus.
I never got 6 form.
You never got 6 form? That's a comeback? What is your body count?
Zero.
I dare you to go on the balcony and scream out your favorite cuss word. Loud enough so that over this I can't hear. I'm gonna ask you the next one. Truth or dare?
Dear.
Dare again? She brave. Alright, we're gonna teach her a lesson. We're gonna teach her a lesson.
You're not funny.
But you get scared.
You're not funny right now, boy.
I dare you to call someone who you know like you, and tell him say Annie.
I haven't spoken to him in a long time.
So you can tell him say.
I'm gonna tell him I like him. That should be funny.
Okay.
But I haven't heard from him in a while.
And you wonder if he could have come over.
That's it.
Walk on.
There, I'm a
I missed your call today.
Yes, but I think it was me because you get my card up and watch a TV channel so much in Jamaica land. So, you know, all the things go. Me not tell you something quick still, because I'm not take out the time still, darling.
But I want to tell you something to after, or before.
Eh?
I want to tell you something to.
May I make it go on? Huh?
Alright, so, you know, I don't really know how to say it, but it's something I'm kind of uncomfortable saying, but You know, I always liked you, and I never really said to you. I'm saying I always liked you, but I never really said to you before.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Why it sounds so shocking?
I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. All this time, I have feeling saying about my ID, you know. Because you don't know, but then the friend thing coming out of the way, so I never really want to cross the boundary. I really want to cross the boundary, but at that time, but seriously, when you come with this thing now,
Alright, that joke.
tell me you want to know, but you come with this thing now.
Wait.
No, it's not a joke. You're not running a joke.
No,
Please, no, okay.
It's a joke. It's a joke. I'm in the middle of filming a video and I was dead.
Are you there? Really? Are you there? You see, are you? I'm going to put this. Hey, you need your time.
Fix this one.
That funny, brother. My would say.
Okay,
My
pick up yourself first of all.
Look at this girl Googling questions. I'm gonna take a question out of my head, you know. And she's supposed to be a YouTuber.
Yeah, but this is your
Them type of
area of
YouTuber.
expertise.
Them type of YouTuber.
Come on my channel. I see.
When I come on my channel.
rule my show.
I will forward on the channel. What the hell is saying?
He's gonna cover my channel.
I'm gonna forward on the channel. Stop saying that.
He's gonna forward on the channel. Head over to my channel, by the way. It's at Rochielin. Rochielin.
Hey, me charge you them things.
Shameless plug.
Me charge you promotion, no, brother.
My youth.
charge
Just all I see. Just all I see. Little boy. Come sit down.
You are though.
Oh, this look cute at the actual face. Yeah, this is hot.
Oh, why you tell me my lip? Have you ever cheated on someone?
Maybe. Have you ever had sex in public? It's Google questions.
Yes, I have.
Where?
Google said that. So, have you ever had sex in public?
Yes.
Where?
Public. Roadside.
Me blood killer! I saw your movie. I don't think I ever did that one.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
Yeah, man. I believe.
Okay, start camera.
Hmm?
Alright, relationship. I love relationship.
Can I tell you something? You know, say, like, me have like a crush on you when you come up at your house.
Really? Yeah, bust the cake, you know?
Hmm?
Yeah, bust the cake, you know?
Or the prank?
The guy on my car earlier.
No, not that kind bus. Like, cho, I see you, and then, first of all, I never know say a big one. You see me? And, like, me the ask, like how it done late, me the ask if you could have sleep over tonight.
Which one is it on the camera?
Where's that? Oh my god. Bro. It's not a prank, dog. You're not big man. Why you laugh? Why you laughing? Why you laugh?
That's the way I put the camera.
What you mean? Brother, see the phone them the brother. Yo, we can answer the question.
No, I'm not sleeping.
What make?
Come here, come here.
So you're not big man not get to sleep out and why you laugh? You make me laugh. Why you laugh? You're so funny. Wow. Because what? Look how long they say you talk and then we come answer a question and you give it off your face. Because what?
It's obviously a prank. Well, we never capture everything else when we say panic.
Alright, it's not prank. Some guys say question now?
You don't answer the question already.
No, I'm answering the next one. So, you never see me that look for you when you come up your house. You never see oh like I'm kind of interested. Yeah. So you don't like my work?
You're so bad at this.
Why are you? What do you mean bad at what? Bad at what? Tell me that. What you want me lock up this? You want me lock up them like that? What you want me do? You have the phone them. Alright, give me your phone then. Turn it on. Turn it off me.
I'm not, it's not recording.
So okay. So I am not recording, as you can see.
You have two phones, I'm one to say one disappear. See when I fool. No, I did not see you looking at me at all. In fact, I don't pay those things no mind.
See, carry it.
Where? You're lame. Move! Fail!
Yeah, you know long this record.
Make sure you watched all the ads in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to his channel, like, comment, and share. And make sure you head over to my channel, which is at Rochielin, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and look out for this video and many more videos here and many more videos on my channel. Bye!
Come show you a magic trick. They hand like this. And thumbs down, hands across, and then clasp them. Now do everything that I do. Lift your hands up, and pinky, kinda lift it up like alright. Do everything that I do. Alright. If you don't do this, you can't leave your hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing?
Spin man.
Which way are you spinning? Do it back.
Let's spin it around. Let's spin it.
So?
It's, come on. You alone want lighting. You know what?
You know you set the light them?
You set that and me set that. I don't think I can't take with you, you know. It's too tight here. You see me? So I have my auntie here. Rochielin there. She's a YouTuber. I make the old jokes because she older than me and thing. Yeah, we're gonna play a truth there. Is it? Bro, you know so we are doing. Yeah, record.